Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and today's video I'm going to teach you on how to delete or no Wi-Fi network type on Android phone. So let's see. Alright, so the very first thing you need to do is to simply head over to your phone settings. After you click on your phone setting, it simply take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply go to network and internet. It take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on your Wi-Fi. It take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to go to Wi-Fi preferences. Click on that. It take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on saved networks. It take you right here. Now at this point here, if you take note of any Wi-Fi untrusted, what you need to do is to simply click on this padlock right here, and it take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on forget. Boom. It's as simple as that. That Wi-Fi has been drastically deleted on my Wi-Fi network type. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to delete or no Wi-Fi network type on your Android phone without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use your Android phone. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.